Let's start it. You ready, Jordan? 1 minute, 10 seconds. All right. My lovely assistant Jordan's gonna hold the camera for us here while we start this. Welcome to everybody. Yes, it is 72 volt. Here we go. Ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Hold that for me.
Go for it.
Can you move the light up if you want? Oh yeah. Come a little closer. So they have obviously the manual. This goes for everything. I'm not gonna go over any of that. I already pretty much know all that. A lot of these scooters come with 1 or 2 chargers. Sometimes you gotta buy an extra one. Obviously they gave me 2. Hell yeah. Standard stuff. Let's take a look in the box. Pretty good pack job on this one. There you go. That's what you like to see. Everything's secured. Got the headlight, the handlebars. Ready?
Go for it.
Oh yeah. Look at that. Let's see, I guess. Just keep doing this.
The top speed on it is 65 miles per hour.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, Days, for saying it's a good unboxing. Woohoo! Not hard with a badass scooter. Kilometers, I think around 35.
Vsett bag on there.
Someone asked how the top speed in kilometers.
Kilometers? I think it's like
35.
100 kilometers an hour, give or take.
Oh, duh. Yeah, like 9,500. That's sick. Yeah, you gotta have a chunky deck for a badass scooter like this. Dylan says the deck is chunky.
It's a big boy. Oh man, that's heavy. Oh yeah. There she is.
If you want to lift it, I could pull out the box
Nah,
as
I'm
well.
not gonna do that yet.
Okay.
Just leave it like that for now. Okay. I think I'm gonna put the handlebars up and attach it. Do you want to just like get some close-ups?
Yeah,
Stuff.
absolutely. Just looking at it come.
Move this light over here.
Ooh. Look at that mud guard. Looks like it actually might be worth a shit.
I love this part. Oh, this is yellow in here with the black. I love everything about this scooter.
And there it is. Woo!
Scoot Gang logo.
Custom.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you, Vsett. Oops. Use some light on there. Boom, boom.
Scooter Gang. Best gang ever.
Vsett, I love you. Vsett Gang for life. I'm just gonna set this right here. Get a little tool real quick. 1 sec. The scooter's hot.
Yeah,
Got me
it would go
sweating.
about 95 to 100 kilometers.
Exactly.
I believe the total price is around
4,000 US
Yeah.
dollars.
4,000.
Right now from RevRides on sale.
It's about 4K.
sick. I love the black. The black on the black. God. Vsett.
They dared you to put drag tires on it.
Drag tires. Little towel. Who dared me?
B3 Azel 6H10. Alexander 15712 says congrats. Looks good.
Here, I'm gonna show them. Said drag tires. This is what I got for it. PMTs. These are PMT Stradales. I think they're 90/65. No, 155 6.5. Got these from PMT, so these will be nice. A little upgrade. I also recommend Spank is like the top brand. They have VibraCore handlebars where there's like foam in the middle of this so it doesn't vibrate your wrists as much. Edge out here. And basically if you lay the scooter down, they're gonna take most of the damage as opposed to this getting in trouble. Get that towel. It's like a little bit of moisture on it.
Yes, it's in the link tree. Oh, they don't see it on your link tree.
It's at the very bottom in my scooters I want, or something like that is the section. Okay. I'll update the link tree after this in about half an hour. If you want to check back too, I'll move it to the top for you guys.
Do you think e-moves are any good?
I had an e-move touring, and I rode it for maybe 200 miles, and one of the bolts in the folding mechanism came out, and it was like sort of just janky and dangerous. I don't really recommend e-move too much anymore. E-move looks good on paper, but it's just like, seems like it's made of like light metal, very light feeling scooter. So they gave me this, which is epic, the upgraded screen. This is not even standard on most Vsetts yet.
You gonna peel the plastic off?
Oh yeah, we gotta do this part. Let's get it. Beautiful. Let's fire her up too, I guess. We gotta do that, right? Check it out. I'm not gonna screw all this on yet, but let's see. To turn it on, I guess we ready? Inaugural. Turn on, you got it? Perfect. Hit the power button. Should power up. Uh-oh. Guess we need to connect. Perfect. Let me just do some close-ups for a second when I figure it out.
Oh, so.
Thank you. Oh, here.
Scooter or e-bike?
Scooter. E-bike if you're tired, I guess.
Scooter.
It's like they test rode it 1 kilometer for me. Very nice.
Keep saying lost connections. And then it'll go down like 12 years.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Almost at the end.
Right.
Thanks for watching, guys. I'm not going to go through and build all this right now. I wanted to show everybody how it end up like this. Oop, the headlight is on too.
Bright as fuck. It's so bright.
We'll mount that up too before we turn this back on again. Oh yeah, look at the deck lights.
Yes.
Let's get Vsett deck lights. Let's check the blinker.
Oh. Wow. That's cool.
Okay, is there some tools sitting next to you?
Yeah.
Can you hold this?
Yeah.
Show them the headlight. Hold it, would you?
Dude, it's so bright. I don't want to blind you guys. Look at those lights. Ooh!
Yeah. You want to try first? Is that what's going to happen? I don't know about that.
Think I can handle it?
We'll see.
Someone asked, what's your opinion on Var Eagle 1?
Varley Eagle 1 is just a remake of the 010X, which is now like a 6-year-old model. So I would buy Varley Eagle 1 is just a remake of the 010X, which is now like a 6-year-old model. So I would buy now like a 6-year-old model. So I would buy.
Agreed.
In my opinion, that are good value, good price, and premium quality. Get this headlight on.
Yeah, that's like your logo's in there.
Good.